Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Instapage Landing Page Builder. Instapage Landing Page Builder is a service that helps businesses create high-converting landing pages. Its main purpose is to simplify the process of designing and deploying effective landing pages for marketing campaigns, targeting businesses of all sizes needing to improve their conversion rates. Key features include drag-and-drop editing, A/B testing capabilities, and integration with various marketing tools. Their website provides details on their comprehensive suite of tools. Instapage positions itself as a powerful, yet user-friendly solution for creating sophisticated landing pages. They emphasize ease of use, even for those without extensive design experience. Pricing is transparent, although specific details are found on their site. They boast a fast page load speed crucial for optimizing conversion rates. Instapage's availability is global, and you can check their website for details on specific features and pricing plans. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Instapage. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, guiding me through setting up my first landing page with helpful tutorials. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The drag-and-drop editor was a dream to work with. I particularly enjoyed the pre-built templates, which allowed me to quickly customize a landing page for a recent marketing campaign. I used the A/B testing feature to compare two different versions of my landing page, and I was impressed with the detailed reporting provided. The results showed a significant improvement in conversion rates with the winning version. I also found the integration with my email marketing platform seamless. I had a quick question about integrating with a different tool, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, very helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the A/B testing capabilities and the detailed reporting. One minor drawback was the lack of a full-fledged mobile app. However, their mobile responsive design worked flawlessly. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Instapage. It streamlined my landing page creation process considerably, leading to improved conversion rates for my marketing campaigns. That's my overview of Instapage Landing Page Builder. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.